Bryce just told us today his new word is choo-choo, so we got him a choo-choo train and put it together. And this is Bryce's new toy. Bryce, what's that called?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Let it go. Oh no, it's stuck.
That's out.
It's stuck. Got it? Oh no.
Oh no. That's out.
It's stuck. Good job. Choo-choo. Look, it's stuck again.
It's out.
Mommy's so proud you learned a new word. Even teach you.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. It's stuck.
That's out.
You got it? Uh-oh. Put it down. Oh, man. You got it? Is it back on? Good job. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, Bryce, can you tell Mommy? Show Mommy your choo-choo. Come show me your choo-choo. Silly goose. Hey, Bryce. Bryce. Bye. Bye, Bryce. Bye, Bryce. Mommy will show you the video if you tell me bye.
Bye.
Bye, Choo-Choo. Love you, Bryce. I love you. Okay. Bye-bye.